So in last class, we discussed about Woli registration. So this class we will concentrate on next step. So that is Firebase. So first we will create a project, then we'll discuss on next steps on that. So for that here now, I'm creating one new project. So that is on the name of Firebase. So that MTV's activity. So here I'm creating that as FCM, Firebase Cloud Messaging. So this Firebase Cloud Messaging we can use for the many things. So using this we can do a lot of activities, but here now we will see like majority of the things here. First of all, we'll concentrate on the crash analytics, how the crash analytics will be enabled in our application and how to identify that. So that the first step we will concentrate on. So to do that here now, first of all, so this is the project. See, once this project has opened, we will see that. So here there is a simple way we can enable. So while loading this project here, let's open the Firebase console. So let me open here the Firebase console. So that is the FCM console. So I have opened the Firebase console. In this Firebase console, so there are many things as there. So in a Firebase, there are a lot of products as said, like once we open the products here, we can able to see how many products are there and how to justify each and every property, like how to use that. So that other the things we can concentrate. So before that, it should not Firebase. So simple, we will open this URL so that we can able to know that what are the things are there here. See, these all are the, like there are, if we go in a pricing mode, so there we can able to see a lot of products here. So just it is loading that here. So there are many things here. So first one is the A/B testing. So that is no cost, and analytics. This analytics also no cost. App check. So this app check is also free of cost, like app distribution. Even this is also free of cost. Then app hosting. This is up to certain level it is free. After that it is chargeable. Then authentication. So the authentication is also like here 10 SMS we can send per day. After that it is chargeable. Then cloud Firebase, this is for backend people. We cannot use for this feature in this. And cloud function, this is also for backend people. So Firebase cloud message, this is the free of cost that we will use in our application. The next one, which is like here, this is the cloud storage. So this cloud storage is also backend people. Crash analytics, that is the main we'll use. Data connect, this is also for backend people. Hosting, this is also backend. In-app messaging, we will use machine learning. Either you can use here and there that we will provide, but it should be castable. And real-time database, so that we will use here, and the backend side also test lab we can use here. So in Vatek, this is the recently has came, this is the AI based. So if you want, you can use that. That will be completely paid APIs, that is. So BigQuery, Gemini, so these all are the, we can use that. But how we can incorporate in our application, that we will see here now. So for that, here the project is loading. So from here directly we can integrate, like for this just need to understand the logic, so no need to remember the other things here. Simple way, like here coding wise also very less, no need to worry about the coding. So the coding will be less, so that we can do easily here, that we can manage here. So that is, so that we can do here this. So so that's just submit. Once it is loaded, we will see here. So from here toolbase, we can connect this Firebase. But once it is loaded, then only we can able to see here this Firebase. Just 2 minutes. Once it is loaded, we can able to see this. Just a minute, it is taking little bit time to load the project. Just a ticky, it is taking too much of time to load the project. Yeah, almost it is done. So here build. So here in the tools, right? So here is the Firebase. So here it is the Firebase. Now you can click on the Firebase. So once you click on the Firebase here, now the side it will be load the window. So from here now, first we are enabled crash reporting. So this I'm enabling here. So get started. So once you click on get started here, now it is asking two options, connect with the Firebase. So once we click on that connect, so it is redirecting to the browser. So in a browser, it will open the Firebase console. So in a console now, here we will need to create a project. So for the project, we supposed to add, like means that project will be mapped into this. So that is here. Now here we can create a new project, right? So Firebase test. So I created the project. So the project is creating here now. Then here continue. So there's no need to select any project because now we are using the older like new project. So accept and create a project. See, once I click on this, now the project is creating this. Preparing your project, please wait. So we need to wait a minute. See, now continue. See, once you click on continue here, now the next step, it goes to the next step. So click on connect. Now it is connected to the Android. So connected to Firebase. This now, if you go and here you can see, so it is connected. Now here we can see in a console, we can able to see that. See if we open here in a Firebase console, now we can able to see the particular project what we have created that. So that project we have to see here now. See, this is the project today we created. Now I'm opening this project here now. See here now we are enabling the crash analytics, right? So that we will open here now. So app check. So these all are the different actions where we can run. So this is the crash analytics, right? This one we supposed to test here. Now this is here. Done. Next here now we here add crash analytics. So these all are the modifications is happened in your project level. So those all are the things like some of the gradles will be added in app level gradle scripts. One of the things, some of the things will be added in a project level. So that we will see here now. So it is downloading a lot of files here. So by download, it will take a little bit time. See, almost it is done. Once it is well, then we can follow the next step. From here means it will guide you what you supposed to do. So as for the guidelines, just we will follow that. Yeah, almost it is done. Just Still it is taking time. So because a lot of dependencies has to download here, that's why it is taking too much of time. Yeah, almost it is done. Yeah, there is almost scanning the files, almost it is done. So dependencies are set up done here. So the next step here. So once this is closed here, now we need to follow C here. Just we can follow the document. So here, if you want to test this crash, so for crash test is finish setup. So to do that here now, this code, whatever the code here it is given. So this code we have to add in our file. Then we can suppose to test that here. So so this file where the crash button. So from here the crash button text I have added here. So this code we will add in your here. So within a main activity here we will add here, so that we can able to check that crash like once the app is open, so that how that is crashing, that we can able to see here. Just a minute, once it is loaded, we will import this button and the text, then we can start and running that application and we will see that. Almost it is indexing the updating, which is taking time. Yeah, it's taking too much time today, but almost we are in ending stage. So, done. So now, so this crash button and all we used to import and we will run this. So for that, just I'm connecting the mobile so that we can able to run. So just I'm connecting this. So mobile has connected now right here. Yeah, mobile has connected. So now I'm running this. We will see this. Means what happens here in UI, now the one button will be created. So once user click on that button, so it should crash the app. So it should close the app. So that whatever the closing, it is capturing in our Firebase console or not, that we supposed to check here this. So here the one line is missed here. So but it is now it is identified, right? So this we used to declare on top of this. So then we used to import this. So we're importing the button. So it is taking a little bit time. Wait, we will see that. So that is import. Like next view group as also it needs to import. So we will import the view group as well. So that view group has also imported here, right? Now this is still it is running. We will see what happens here for this running. Better we can stop and we can rerun, because definitely, because while we started running there is an issue, so it will stop there. So that's why now I'll stop and I'll rerun here. Now I'm adding here. So now it is running. We will see, just a minute. So it's running of this thing. It is taking too much time today, because in this there are a lot of dependencies we added here, right? That's why it is taking a time. So, but it will run here now. Even before running, you can see here now nothing. It will be once, but once it is run, we can crash that. So that here the immediately the we can observe that crash report there. So it will show that like so and so mobile. So because of this reason it is crashed like that, it will give clear picture there, so that we supposed to see that there. Almost done. Wait, it is taking. So there are a lot of dependencies. That's why it is taking time. Just 2 minutes. Still, it is taking time. So in case if it won't run today, we will run this and next class and we will continue there. We will wait 3 more minutes left, right? We will see. Mostly it will run. In case if it is not, then we will see our next class. So it is launching, you will see. It's launched. Yeah. See now here I'm clicking on that particular button. See now here I'm clicking on this button. So app has crashed. Now here we supposed to get that crash. See here I'm refreshing this. Now here we will get that crash. It is detecting the crash. So now it will here it will trigger the cache. Here it says that this particular mobile. So like this we got the issue so that it will be here. It is creating this. See here just it is refreshing. Your time also left only 1 minute. So maybe it will